Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Siri not working on iPhone 17 Air. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down. So you will see Siri. So click on Siri. Now here you will see first option is talk to Siri. So click on talk to Siri. Now here you will see Siri or Siri, hey Siri off. So press set button of Siri. So if you want to talk to Siri, so turn on this button. So click on this Siri or hey Siri option. So click on continue. Your Siri is work properly. So after the process, go back. So that's how you can fix Siri not working in iPhone 17 Air. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.